Hi there, in this video we will be assembling a SONGESAND, probably, drawer for under the bed storage from Ikea. Obviously, first step, open up this box and see what we get. Okay, unboxed these thingies. All the screws and whatnot are in here, so let's start with the manual. We'll be doing this one first. They are telling us you normally need 2 persons and you should work onto something so you don't scratch your floor or this. I'm going to work on the cardboard as much as I can, and first step that we need to do in all of the plates of this type, we need to insert the wood pieces, the wood dowels in the sides. So I'm kind of going to do that now. They are showing us here to assemble both big and small drawers at the same time. I'm going to assemble big one first, so this I will ignore, because this one does not fit under our bed. It's not a standard Ikea bed, so it's 10 centimeters shorter, and probably we will be using only this, and this we might modify later, not sure about it. So for the moment, not this one. Only this one I need to assemble, so I need to put these type of screws, and it's to here and 3 in the middle. So in this kind of holes at the ends, 1 here and 1, 2, 3 in the middle, and at the other end 2. Oh, actually no, 1, 2, 3 in the middle and 2 at the other end in those. So let's do this. Actually no, I was wrong. In this one, these are for the dowels. These things will be going in these ones. They are a bit bigger in diameter, the holes. From the ones that I already put the dowels in from the first step, only one of them does not have the slit, and it's just a tiny bit narrower. So that is the one in the middle. Now they tell us to put it with the face in this direction. I don't think it matters, but let's do it how they tell us. And dowels should be going in. And now it's sitting upright by itself. And we just need to use these thingies to lock it in place. Meaning this. So actually, yeah, I think I'm aligned. Make sure this part with the cut in it is lower to go over that screw. And now you need a flathead screwdriver to rotate this and lock it in place. This one is tightened. Be careful, they are plastic, so you can destroy them if you do it wrong. You can see an arrow pointing down, and you rotate it and the arrow ends up pointing up, and you know it's tight. That's about it. So now let me do that end and that end, and obviously I need to have a slit towards the interior, because we'll be putting in here the base onto which your stuff will actually sit in the drawer. Now next step, after these 3 are done, on these small plates where you find 2 holes like this, you need to attach the tiny wheels with these things. But for us, I will not be doing this because we don't have enough room under that bed for the wheels. So I will be doing something else a bit later to slide onto. Now we are at this step where we basically take the small ones and put the wooden dowels onto them, and then we'll be actually making later a bit of a plus inside of this and putting it in place. That's gonna be fun. Again, I'm only looking at that part, not at the small one. Small one, it's easier. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so made this, a bit of an H daughter in here, continuing with another H on this other side. So for this one we are basically done. Oh, even more. Now I need to tighten it in the middle with one of those plastic thingies like that. Next step, we need to put this in. Actually, I think it's on the other page. So let me go back one page, slide it in there. Here it shows us. And then put some screws into this plate. Actually, not that one, because that's for the little drawer. I will get it out of here. Again, we are not doing the little drawer yet. In this one, on the other side, I will put a few of those screws in and close it back up. But open up this plate, and this side that we just opened and revealed, this will be on the inside of the drawer because it's closed here. The other one would be empty and dirt would get into that crack. Voila, we slide it in here, it went into the lower gap, everything is in place, and it actually seems quite sturdy with having these reinforced ones. Yeah, I like this. And we are ready with this plate. Screws in, dowels are waiting already from the other side. We just take this, drop it onto that, make sure this goes in the channel, and we should be good. Put a plastic tightening element in here, and the other ones will be coming from the other side. So let me do that. And in the middle also. Not sure if I'm showing you or not. I think I am, somewhat. And it's done. Everything is tight. Now let's see if it goes under this bed, which again is not an Ikea, or not. Ta-da-da! Ikea lied. In their drawing it says 14 centimeters. Well, let me just show you. Our bed has 14 and a half. This thing has 16. Well, no. They did not lie. They just didn't obey to the rules. They put a dimension on a hidden internal line. And I did not saw that. Did not see that. I was fully expecting the dimension is on the exterior, because you don't do this in drawings. But yeah, a bit late now, isn't it? So I need to add some legs to the bed itself. Damn it. So yeah, this time being a mechanical engineer beat me in the ass, because I did not expect somebody to put a dimension on a hidden line. So now, yeah, this has a bit of damage from shipping. Anyway, now I need to add about 2 centimeters of extension on this bed frame. Yeah, great. And it's finally solved. Yes, this does not have wheels. It sits on some kind of felt similar to this, but white and a bit sleeker, so it glides really well. And I needed to add some little feet to the bed, which kind of look like crap. I realized the material is extremely bad in it, but kind of already knew because from shipping it was damaged, but it was they were the last two in stock, so I couldn't do anything. I decided to buy it and try to fix it, but yeah, it's extremely bad quality. But anyway, it is what it is. Probably I will be painting these things white or some other color that my daughters decide, because you can see this is all sorts of colors. But yeah, it's done. Do I recommend this? No. Just get some IKEA stuff that's actually made to fit together. Don't try to do what I did here. It's too much time wasted, and in the end it's not working exactly perfectly. But yeah, we can get it out, we can feel it, we can slide it back, and it does the trick. And it will actually be in its normal position right here at the end, actually even closer, because there will be some furniture that will not let it go further. But anyway, that's about it for this video. The other one basically gets assembled exactly as this one, but it's just kind of half the size. And I'm working on the shorter drawer, which is obviously a big deviation from the IKEA. So I literally cut everything shorter For me it was 20 centimeters plus this, so maximum 30 centimeters that I had available. Even cut this thing. So now with some of these wood screws, I'm just drilling holes and attaching everything together, although I need to make sure that this enters its slot right here. But yeah, for you this shouldn't be an issue because you are not doing such modifications, but in my situation I need to do it. And this is the underside of my modified drawer, top side right here with screws. So as you can see, everything is held together. This part is all Ikea, front, back is with screws. Yes, my cuts were not that good and I need to clean this. Is just pencil, but hey, I have a drawer and it slides on that felt thingies, so it's perfect. I don't even need any wheels on this surface anyway. Let's put this under the bed and we are done. And just look how nice they fit in here, not touching, just a tiny bit of space between them. The huge one on this side right here, it even kind of matches the shape of the bed, and the small one right here, and a bunch of boxes to complete the underside of this bed. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Standard assembly, modified assembly. If you want to see a video for this bed frame or bed support or slanted base or whatever it's called, it's in the description. And to make extraction easier, I bought some of these cheap Chinese handles. They don't get in the way as they are extremely flat and fold out when you need them, and it's much easier to get everything out because otherwise this is kind of flush and I kind of want to not need to try and put my finger behind it somehow. I'll just pull on this and be done with it. So yeah, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.